that is like this week has rise in value. And we can see that this week has started with this bullish candle where the price continued to rise in value, but the price has stopped around this area, which means 20,785, and then the price continued all the way back down on Thursday. And on the Friday, the price tried to continue to rise in value with this forming this bullish candle. The weekly time frame shows us indecision candle, which means the price has closed at the same, very close to the open price of this week, which means indecision on the market. Now, on the monthly time frame, we can see how this looks. This looks that the price is trying to make another bullish breakout above 20,000 on the monthly time frame. But this is something that is still open because we can see that we have 2 more weeks until this month closes. I will still open. For much more information, we should really watch closely to the daily and the weekly time frame. But for now, how it looks, the weekly time frame shows us a decision candle with a larger wick on the upper side, more wick on the lower side, which means usually this is a bullish trend that we try to put the price even higher and higher. And in usual this formation, what we can see here is that after this incision candle, usually the price starts to move higher, continue to move in the same direction as this one. Now, the daily time frame shows us currently a strong bearish candle on the Thursday, but on the Friday, the price tried to return all the way back up. So there is hyper voltage. The price will bounce from here, from 20,000 support level, and then trying to reach again the next one, which will be around number 21,000. We can see that here. Now, for now, the very important support level is 20,000 that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling even more down. Which means if the price goes down, this will be a bearish momentum that could step in and put the price below, reaching first 19,700, and below that is 19,500. If this holds, this will mean that bulls are stronger, but we can see currently the price is still in the uptrend, which means usually the price will continue to rise in value in the same direction as it has gone in the last periods. This is all for this week. See you next time. Happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.